The allure of Chengdu Hot Pot, an experience that's not just a meal but a symphony of flavors dancing in a bubbling cauldron. As you step into Chengdu, the irresistible aroma of this culinary masterpiece envelops the city. Chengdu Hot Pot is a gastronomic delight that demands attention. It's a captivating blend of numbing, spicy, refreshing, and aromatic notes. Picture this, the tantalizing scent wafting through the air, inviting you to indulge in a culinary adventure like no other. In the bustling hot pot restaurants of Chengdu, a sensory feast awaits. Multiple soup bases vie for your attention, with the numbing and spicy varieties taking center stage. Infused with chili, prickly ash seeds, thick broad bean sauce, fermented soya beans, and more, these broths are a symphony of spice. Ginger and garlic, the unsung heroes of Chengdu's hot pot, lend their aromatic charm, eliminating any lingering fishy odors and intensifying the spicy seasonings. A hint of crystal sugar adds a touch of sweetness, creating a delicate aftertaste that balances the fiery spice. But beware, my fellow food adventurers, for within this cauldron lies the mighty Sichuan pepper. Choose your ingredients wisely, for adding them to the boiling pot is an art. A word of caution, those innocuous-looking peppercorns are not dried grapes. In my naivety, I mistook them once and was greeted with a symphony of spice and a numbing sensation that lingered through the night. My local friends still fondly recount that fateful evening, and I, author, Brendan, blush at the memory. So, as you embark on your hot pot journey, relish the experience. Choose your ingredients, savor the broth, and tread lightly on the path of Sichuan peppers. Chengdu Hot Pot awaits, a culinary adventure that leaves an indelible mark on your taste buds and, perhaps, a spicy tale to tell.